Good morning, students. Let's start question 5th of 11.1. Now, in question 5th, the area of square park is same as rectangular park. This is for square and one is rectangle. The area, the internal, this shaded region is same of both. And the side of square is 60 meter and that of the length of rectangle is 90 meter. These things are given and this breadth we have to find out. Now you know area of square we can find because side we know and sides are equal of square. We don't know the breadth, so we can't find the area of rectangle. Now area of square is equal to side into side, that is 60 into 60, 6 6 are 36 and 20 meter square. So now you know area of square is equal to area of rectangle. Therefore area of rectangle is also 3600 meter square. Now area of rectangle, length into breadth, equals to 3600 meter square, and length is also known to us 90. Breadth we don't know, 3600 meter square. So leave the breadth here and transpose this 90 towards your right hand side. Meter, and meter square means meter into meter, so 1 meter will cancel, 0 cancel by 0, 9 4s are 36 and 0. Therefore breadth is equal to 40 meter. This is our answer. Is it clear? Now in question number 6, a wire is in a shape of a rectangle 40 centimeter length and 20 centimeter breadth. एंड सेम वायर, जितनी ये वायर यूज हुई, सेम वायर अब हमने रीबेंड कर दी, उसको हमने रेक्टेंगल खोल के सेम को स्क्वायर शेप बना दिया. नाउ यू सी दिस वायर, ओके, आई शो यू ऑल्सो. सपोज दिस इज अ वायर और इसको हमने रेक्टेंगल की फॉर्म में लिया. ओके, रेक्टेंगल हमने बनाया ऐसे सपोज, और इसी वायर को, ये यहाँ तक अगर वायर यूज हुई, इसी वायर को हमने स्क्वायर की शेप दे दी विदाउट चेंजिंग द वायर, लेंथ ऑफ द वायर. तो इसका मतलब क्या हुआ, ये वायर जो है आउटर बाउंड्री है, इसको हम कोई भी शेप दें, द लेंथ विल रिमेन सेम एंड द टोटल बाउंड्री, जो बाउंड्री होती है, दैट इज कॉल्ड पेरीमीटर. तो व्हाट डज इट इम्प्लाई, दैट पेरीमीटर ऑफ rectangle is same as perimeter of square. Now perimeter of rectangle is equal to 2 length plus breadth, and we know both the things, length as well as breadth, so we can easily find out. 40 plus 20 60, 2 into 60 120 centimeter. Now perimeter of square, perimeter of square is also same, that is 120. Okay, now perimeter of square, the formula is 4 into side. So side we don't know, keep this side word as it is and transpose this 4 towards your right hand side. Sorry, by mistake I took here 20, it is 22, doesn't make a difference, here place 22, so this will be 62. So when you will multiply, you will get, instead of 120 124. Okay, now when you will transpose this 4 towards your right hand side, you will get 4 3s are 12, and 4 ones are 4. Means side of square is equal to 31 centimeter. Now they also want us to find the area of the both rectangle as well as square. Area of rectangle, length into breadth. Just you have to revise the formulas. Length into breadth, 40 into 22. How you will multiply? 22 fours are 88 and put 10. As it is area, so units will be centimeter square. Now area of square also you can easily find. What is the area? Side into side. Side is 31. So 31 multiplied by 31, 961 centimeter square. So the question they have asked is which encloses more area? When wire को हमने rectangle shape bend थी, this is the internal region and the square is this is the internal, which has greater area. So you see 80 is lesser, so we can say that area of square is more, or we can write square encloses more area. Now in question number 7, the perimeter of this, the outer boundary means of rectangle is given. Perimeter of rectangle is given to be 130 centimeter. Unit से भी you can easily see that this is perimeter. If breadth of rectangle, this is given 30 centimeter, find its length. This length we have to find, and when we will find length, then we have to find this area also, the internal region also. So let's write the formula for a perimeter of rectangle 130. It is given. What is the formula? 2 into length plus breadth, 130. When you will put the values 130, now length plus 30, transpose this to your right hand side, 130 upon 2, you will get 2 6 are 12, 1 will be left, 1 0 10, 2 5s are 10, 65. Oral division you should learn. 65, when you will transpose 30, sign will change, plus will become minus. 65 minus 30 equals to 35 centimeter. So length you have found. Now you can find area of rectangle easily. What is the area of rectangle? Length into breadth. So 35 multiply 30. So put 0, 3 5s are 15, 1 carry, 3 3s are 9 and 1 10. 1050 centimeter square. In question number 8, a door of length 2 meter breadth, this is fitted in a wall. So let's first draw a wall. This is a wall. Okay. And in this wall a door is fitted. The length is 2 and this is 1 meter. Okay. Now the wall dimensions, the dimensions of the wall are 4.5 and 3.6 meter. Now they have to paint this wall, not door. So which area they want to paint? This, excluding, you will not include the door. So how we will find? We know this is rectangle, length into breadth, whole part is there. When we will subtract this, the area of door, we will get what is to be painted. हमें क्या पेंट करना है? Area of wall to be painted. What is to be painted or whitewashed, anything you can write, is equal to area of wall, means total area, and from that we will subtract this door. The area of door we will subtract. Now area of wall, you know, length into breadth, and area of door also length into breadth. So 4.5 into 3.6 minus meter square. Now area of wall, you will write 2 into 1 meter square. So on multiplying 1620, पॉइंट के पीछे 2 डिजिट्स हैं, सो यू विल प्लेस पॉइंट हेयर. मीटर स्क्वायर माइनस 2 मीटर स्क्वायर. ऑन सब्ट्रैक्टिंग वी विल गेट 14.2 मीटर स्क्वायर और 20 मीटर स्क्वायर. Now we have to find the cost also of whitewashing. They have given the cost of whitewashing 1 meter square is rupees 20. Cost is rupees 20 and our area is 14.20 or 14.2 is same thing. Is it clear? So 14.20 meter square we will multiply by 20, and on multiplying we will get our cost equal to, and you will multiply by 2, you will get 284. So this will be the answer. That's all for today. You will be completing your 11.1.